Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I'm so excited for today's video. I just got done through filming my first video in Spanish because for those of you that don't know, I'm Mexican and very proud. So it was only fair that I made some videos for my Spanish speakers. So if you want to know how I got this base, this natural base, then make sure to check that out. If you speak Spanish, or even if you don't speak Spanish, girl, turn on the subtitles and go check it out when it's up, all right? But this video I am so excited for. And maybe even a little bit emotional because I still can't believe it. I still can't believe it that it happened to me. I can't believe I don't even know what to say. I really don't. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Have been a little bit absent on my social media. I apologize for that, but I did get a new job, and so at work I don't really check my phone. So I was finally in bed, ready to go to sleep. I grabbed my phone and I started reading the messages that people had texted me that day, and I see a message from my dad, and he's telling me that I got this box at their house. So he was asking if my mom could open it, and so I didn't answer, and he was like, too late, she's opened it. And he sends me the pictures. It's this green box, big, and it says Pixi. And I'm sitting here thinking, I don't remember having ordered anything lately. And then suddenly it hit me. Oh my God, did I just get sent a PR box from Pixi? Oh my God, did I? So I get up like crazy and I run to my parents' house. We live like right by each other, okay? So it was not that bad, but I ran over there. And oh my goodness, you guys, yes, I got a PR box from Pixi. It is my first ever PR box, and I am so grateful. It's from Pixi. It is such a well-known company. I mean, they're big. They're in Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. I'm pretty sure they're everywhere. And they sent something to me. Little old Carla. I couldn't believe it. So that's what this video is about. We are gonna not unbox because, you know, my ass couldn't wait. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm gonna review it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, are you guys ready? Dun, 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 dun. I probably shouldn't shake it like that. But oh my God, like, come on, this is kind of big, okay? So exciting. Let's open it up real quick. Okay. Came like this, and let me go ahead and read what these little hearts say. This special present to you is a beautiful reflection of the Pixi perfect beauty I see in all of you. Enjoy. XOXO Petra. Thank you, Petra. Thank you. You have no idea how much this means to me. Okay, the other little heart says, we would love to see the gorgeous looks you create using these new eye essentials. Please show us your looks and tag us at Pixi and Pixi Beauty. Thank you, Pixi. Thank you. Look at this beauty. Are you guys seeing that? We have 2 eyeshadow palettes in this beautiful case. It says Pixi on here, and I'm about to show you guys what is in there, but get a look at this. Isn't this so cute? Like, the packaging is so cute. This PR box is just so adorable. What do you guys want to see first? I guess let's look at the case because I was intrigued. I wanted to know what was in there, and it feels so, like, I don't know, so luxe, so pretty. It reminds me of a case where you put your glasses. So cute. And inside we have a brush set. We have 3 brushes. Okay, let me take them out. All of them come individually wrapped. And isn't this so cute? Like, you can just stick a bunch of brushes in here and you're ready to go. So the first brush we have right here is a fluffy brush. It says Pixi EO2. It's a fluffy brush. The next one is this little, is it a tapered brush? Is that what you would call this? I'm not sure. And then we have an even smaller brush, and this is a really small blending brush. So this is kind of perfect. The uses I could give to these brushes are endless. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the first eyeshadow palette, and this just says Pixi by Petra. And this is the Pixi Eye Reflection Shadow Palette, Reflects Light. And we have the names on the back. So these are all shimmers. Moving on, showing you guys the next palette. Sadly, there was a little bit of an accident with this one, but actually when I was on Instagram and I was looking at other people that received the same PR package as me, the same thing happened to them. One of the shadows was broken, and that would be this one up here. And we were thinking maybe because of the formula, maybe because it's so creamy, but this actually happened to several people. This one is the Pixi Eye Reflection Shadow Palette in Natural Beauty. So this one has quite a few shimmers as well, but it also has a couple of mattes. Okay, so to start off, as you guys can tell, my eyelids are primed using concealer, and I'm gonna take the Natural Beauty palette right here. Using the fluffy brush, I'm gonna pick up shade Petal, which is this pinky matte shade, and I'm gonna use that sort of as a transition right here. Now I'm gonna go into a different palette, and this is the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna pick up this peachy shade right here, and this is called Candied Peach. And I'm gonna go in my crease with it. So now I'm gonna go in with, again, the Natural Beauty palette, and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here, which is called Rose Clay. And I'm gonna use the smaller brush. This is the EO3, and I'm gonna concentrate that color on the outer corner of my eye to give it some depth and dimension. So I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. I'm gonna go in with the Bronze Gleam right here in the corner. Just gonna pick up a little bit. Okay, so I've cut the crease using concealer. Now I'm gonna take the Pixi Reflects Light palette, and I'm gonna pick up this beautiful shimmery pink, which is called Pink Luster. I'm gonna use the Pixi brush EO1. I'm gonna pick it up like this first. Okay, you guys, so this is the look. I applied some lashes, nothing too dramatic because we want to keep it natural. I've applied some mascara, a little lipstick, and it's a look. I want to make a little disclaimer before I say my opinion on this palettes that I received and the brushes. Even though this is my very first PR package, and I can only hope that other brands will notice me and they will send their products for me to review, I want to make a promise to you guys today that I will never be that person that will lie and say that I like or I recommend a product that I know it's not good, just so I can continue to get things sent to me. You will always get my honest opinion about a product, whether I bought it with my own money, whether it was sent to me, it was gifted to me. You will only hear the truth come out of my mouth. Okay, so that's a promise I want to make as of today. I am very grateful to Pixi for sending these products, and my honest opinion is that they are really good. They're really, really good. I was able to come up with this look. I really like it. I think it looks so pretty. It took 3 brushes for me to come up with this. The shimmers are very creamy, very pigmented. So I like them. I will definitely be using it more. I definitely recommend it to you guys. Thank you so much, Petra. Thank you so much, Pixi, for choosing me and sending me this beautiful PR package. I'm super grateful. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you for all of your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Have you tried Pixi? Like this video. Subscribe. Until next time. Bye.